Make a great choice today with the 2016 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, FWD, tires, front performance, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, rear performance, privacy glass, heated steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.